Myself Azruddin Kohil, a student of Pipavav University, studying in semester 6 of BSc Biotechnology. Today I am explaining the major question of our practical examination of environment biotech. The aim for the practical is microbiological analysis of the milk. To find the adulteration in the milk, we have to go for microbial analysis of the milk. Milk is an important material used in a human life, in human diet. For find the adulteration, we have to go for microbiological analysis of the milk. The principle for that is for this experiment we have to follow the split plate technique. Split plate technique is an important technique used to determine the adulteration in the samples, liquid samples. If the sample is in not liquid, you have to grind the sample and dissolve in an appropriate solvent to convert it into liquid. To find the adulteration in any food sample, the split plate technique is used. By using the split plate technique, you can easily determine the pathogens, the bacteria adulteration. You can count the CFU. You can count the bacterial colony which is forming on the agar plate. Then the method for it: first of all, you have to make the serial dilution of it. Take up to 6 test tube. Make the dilution from it. First of all, add 9 ml of distilled water in each and every test tube. Then take up 1 ml sample, add into first test tube, mix it well, then transfer 1 ml to second, then third, then fourth, up to 6. At last, from the 6th test tube, take appropriate 1 ml or 0.1 ml exact sample and put it on agar plate, conforming and sterile condition. Afterwards, take the spreader, the L-shaped spreader, wipe it with alcohol and then flame over, and then put it on the flame for sterilization. By maintaining the 45-degree angle, spread the sample all over the agar plate evenly. Then incubate the plate for 37 degrees Celsius for 24 hours. After that, you can when you observe, you can find the colonies and the CFU, the colony forming units. You can see the different types of bacterial colonies over the agar plate, which is grown during the incubation. To find the CFU, the colony forming unit, the formula is the number of colonies into colony forming factor upon the volume of the agar plate. After doing the calculation, you will get the result. Thank you.